Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to change the browser icon or favicon on your Squarespace website. This small but powerful customization helps brand your site and makes it instantly recognizable when visitors have multiple tabs open in their browser. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to squarespace.com. Once you're on the home page, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. This will take you directly to your Squarespace dashboard where you can manage all your websites and their settings. On your dashboard, you'll see all the websites associated with your account. Simply click on the specific website where you want to change the browser icon or favicon. This action will open up the main editing interface for that particular site, giving you access to all the customization tools you need. Now look over to the left side of your screen where you'll find the main navigation menu. Here, locate and click on the gear icon. This gear icon represents the settings section and is your gateway to all the configuration options for your website. Clicking it will reveal a comprehensive list of settings you can modify within the settings menu. Scroll through the options until you find one labeled Favicon. Click on Favicon to access the Favicon management page. Here you'll be able to see if you currently have a Favicon uploaded to your site. If you already have one, you'll see it displayed. If not, the space will be empty and you'll have the option to upload your first Favicon to change your existing Favicon or add a new one. Click on the Replace button. This will present you with two straightforward options for adding your favicon image. You can either upload a file directly from your computer, or you can select an image from your existing Squarespace library if you've previously uploaded images there. For this tutorial, we're going to upload a file from your computer. Click on the Upload File option and browse through your folders to find the favicon image you want to use. Select the image file and it will begin uploading to your Squarespace site. Make sure your favicon meets Squarespace's requirements, typically a square image that's at least 100 by 100 pixels for the best display quality. Once your favicon has finished uploading and you're satisfied with how it looks in the preview, click Save. This finalizes your changes and applies the new favicon to your website. Your new browser icon will now appear in visitors tabs, bookmarks, and browser history, giving your site a more professional and polished appearance. And that's it. You've successfully changed the browser icon on your Squarespace website, adding another layer of professionalism and brand recognition to your online presence. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.